Hi teachers, I just want to show you a really cool Chrome extension, which is really useful. You've heard us talk about Chrome extensions and add-ons, but this one specifically is really useful for, it works with the Google Suite environment. So I'm going to just share my document here. So I've created a document in Google Docs. Now, if I want to just keep the integrity of this document, I don't want students to mess up this, so it's a template as it were. You can force them to make a copy. Now, there are two ways to do it. If you look at the address here, the URL, you can see it ends in edit. You can change that to copy and then copy that URL and send it to them. But the easiest way is to use the Sir Links-a-Lot. Now, the way to get to Google extensions, you come to your Google Chrome store. You just do Chrome, google.com. You come to the Chrome store. You can search. So I've searched for Sir Links, and this is the Sir Links-a-Lot that comes up. You just basically click it, and it will ask you to install it into Chrome. You can see mine is already installed in Chrome. So the way it works is once it's installed, you'll see the little icon. It looks like a little man with a hat. So you click on that, and then it'll give you various options. You can force copy, you can have a preview, you can have a template, you can make it a PDF. So I want to force copy, and notice that's changed to copy. And then you can copy the link to the clipboard, which you can either put into ManageBack, or you could email it, or you could copy a shortener link to the clipboard, which gives you just a shortened version of this long URL over here. So it's really cool, really easy to use. And as I said, it really will save a lot of stress when you don't want people to change your documents. And as I said, this works with the Google environment, with any G Suite app, including Google Slides, Google Sheets, anything like that. It will automatically work through these forcing copies or previewing template or PDF. So hopefully that will be useful for you, and it's just something else you can use just to make our lives a little bit easier. Thanks. Have a good day.